Hello, fellow cartoonists. This is Cartoon Academy, and I'm your host, Joe Wos. On this show, we learn how to draw everything from beautiful butterflies to creepy cockroaches. So, stay tuned. We're drawing a friendly frog and a dragonfly too. Ready, set, draw. We're going to start with our dragonfly on this side of the page. We begin with the eyes. Circle, and the letter C backwards to form the eyes. We then add the pupils. 1, 2. The face is shaped sort of like a football. Out, around, and back in. Let's make him smiling. A single dragonfly can eat hundreds of mosquitoes in a single day. The body is in 2 segments or sections. One, and then the second one's a little longer. 2. We're going to add a little bit of shading. Just a couple quick lines. A person who studies bugs for their job is called an entomologist. A person who draws cartoon bugs is called a cartoonist. And now for the wings. There are 4 wings. 1, 2, 3, 4. The wings have a design that looks similar to a stained glass window. To line up into a letter Y. Up, Y, down, and one more time. While the dragonflies we know today have wingspans of 2 to 5 inches, prehistoric dragonflies had a wingspan of up to 2 feet. Wow. Lastly, 2 eyebrows. Now we're going to move over to this side of the page to add our froggy. We start once again with the eyes. A letter O and a letter C backwards. Period here and here. For the mouth, starting at the base of the eye, come out, point, up, and add a dash. For the lower jaw, we come down and in. We turn that right into the belly. Round and stop. For the back, we begin halfway up the eye, down, just like so. For the legs and feet, we use a number 2. There's a number 2, and then keep it coming. In, out, around and in, out, around and in and up. We're then going to close up these gaps. Just draw some quick lines that connect them. Now for our hand. A line down, 1, 2, 3, and in. The other hand is right here. Out, 1, 2, 3, and in. We also see a little bit of the other foot. Some lines right here to close off with those little flippers, and maybe a few spots on the back. Eyebrows, and then that long tongue. Why are frogs always so happy? They get rid of anything that bugs them. We're going to make him sitting on a lily pad. We come around, connect, there's a little bump there and in. Let's add a few more. Around, this one we're going to add a flower. We come down and around, letter W, and connect. Maybe one more back here. And then we just add some water. And there you go. As always, sign your name. Take pride in your work. There's your froggy. Like the frog always says, time's fun when you're having flies.
Ba-da-ba-ba-ba.